welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane. Thanks for joining me today for another video. I am sorting out this pile here. I've got piles of stuff that is shop stuff and my stuff for the shed. I'm going to switch to voiceover so I can just crack on and I don't have to think about talking while I'm doing it, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And if you see me moving about as well, it's a very, very small space, so I'm sorry if the angle's a bit dodgy, but hopefully it'll be okay. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. So I'm doing the voiceover for this video a long time after I filmed it, so it's a bit difficult for me to remember really what I was doing. That first bag was left over from an event, I think, and it was just full of random bits and pieces, so most of it I just decanted onto my desk. And then these boxes are just a mixture of stuff that I've bought either in from the house or I've had delivered that I've taken straight out to the shed. This box here is one that I need to do an unboxing for, and then I'm just sorting through the difference between like raw materials of things and then some stuff for the shop. Some of it is things that I've made and not finished, some of it is like prototypes, and then I'm just kind of separating out the basic card and things like that that all need to go in different places. My intention here is to get all the shop stuff and take it back into the house. Just because it's taken up a lot of room in my shed, now I'm getting more and more product. And I've made a bit of space in my conservatory to kind of house all my stock and things like that. And with all the advent being developed and everything else, it was just easier for me to running out of the conservatory than it was to try and running out of the shed, particularly with the kids around. So then this bag here is again just stuff left over from events. So I think I took that bag with me to the Southwest Planner Club, so it's been sat in there since July, and it's just a whole load of materials and things from where I was still making products. In fact, I think it was a Midlands meet, so it was even before that, since May. And the ribbon, for example, has been an absolute bane of my life, and you'll see me roll it up a few times in this video, I think. The boxes, the empty packets are all things that I'm going to make storage boxes out of, so I'm just kind of shoving those together with the storage boxes that I've got in a pile in the middle of the floor, and I'm just trying to work through this box a little bit on the top to see kind of what's in there and what I can sort out. A lot of it is like memory keeping stuff, so I need to spend a bit of time going through that, but I've kind of stacked back up things that are memory keeping and things that don't have a home. And then on the top of the white unit in the background, I moved two of the scrawler boxes because they are kind of sitting with my unfinished projects. They disappear here, but that's because I cut some of the video because it wasn't a nice angle for me. Here I am rolling up that ribbon for I think the first or second time. I do this a couple of times in the video because this one just refuses to stay rolled up. And they also don't have a home yet either, so this seemed like a sensible place for me to put them rather than just put them in the mountain on my desk. The box that was where this black box is going was full of envelopes, so that's going back into the house with all the shop stuff. And then I've had lots of deliveries of things, so I'm just spending some time sorting those out too. So I've just moved my camera because what I've done is get rid of anything that's shop stuff, because that's all moving back into the house. And then I've got a pile down here. This is all stuff to be put away. And then this is all my like storage stuff ready to go for when I get on to sorting out other parts of my shed. So that's just storage boxes and stuff. This box here, I don't really know what I'm going to do with it yet. I think I just need to sit down and sort through it. I've got some bits that I don't have a home for, and yeah, my washi tape definitely needs sorting out because what a mess. And I've got boxes of it everywhere, so I'm going to put the camera back down. I'm going to try a different angle while I put away some like papers and stuff, and then hopefully we can carry on. So I'm flipping back over to voiceover here, and I'm just spending some time reorganising those storage boxes that were in front of the green drawers, because that's really what I want to use to try and put some of the paper and the card away. That green unit houses all manner of papers, and it really does need a sort out. So I just kind of start shoving things in drawers wherever there is space for now, just so that it's off the floor, and then I can work out what I'm going to do with it once I've gone through it and destashed whatever's in there. because some of that is also paper for the shop, so that will end up back in the house as well. And then here I think I'm just reorganising my 12 by 12 papers a little bit, but there isn't quite enough room for all of them. And I'm also just kind of fishing through the bits on the floor that have kind of fallen down, like the washi tape is all going back into a washi tape box. And I know it's not easy to see, but I'm just kind of putting notebooks back on the shelf and giving it a good tidy up on the floor. Now, I don't have room for that pad of paper down there, so I'm going to have to sort through these boxes to make some room for those 2 pads. This is now wholly disorganised because I've just shoved some stuff in a drawer about here that doesn't belong there. I've had to do like a stack of like new card and stuff just here, and then under here is like sketchbooks and memory keeping bits and bobs that I need to go through as well. That is a box of like ink pads and stuff for my mug press. My letters are still on the floor. I've stacked up my washi in front of my washi tape bins, but my desk once again looks like this. So I'm going to move these washi boxes over there. These are like projects on the go, so I haven't tried out these scrawler boxes yet, and I want to. I might do that today. And then this is for another project I've got, which I have like a projects in progress section, if you like. That's for a height chart for my kids. So I'm kind of at the point where I need to continue to go through things and de-stash things and put my like sticker boxes away, and my washi tape, I need to move it. And I've got a load of stuff down here that I need to haul. So I'm still in a bit of a mess, but I now have at least some space to move around so I can see my floor, which is nice. But I also have just outside my shed a load of stuff to go in the house, and I need to do that before it rains. So I'm a bit out of breath, I'm not going to lie. I don't really know what I'm going to do next. My Happy Planner stickers are now all organised, but I need to label them, and I need to get rid of this, I think, because this is just all empty covers now, which will free up a little bit more space as well. But I just need to let go of it. I just need to be ready to let go of it and let go of it. And then I might move that castle, but I want to put it up there. But I can't put it up there until I've sorted out that shelf. So I'm in a bit of a... You know when you start something and you don't really know what to do next? I'm kind of at that point now that I just need to pick something and get on with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video here. This is a box of stuff to sort out as well. And then I'll probably go back to the top down view and do another like sorting out video of all the stuff that I choose to do next, which might be my washi tape. I've still got stickers to sort out as well, but I think I might park that for the moment. So whatever I decide to do next, I think I'm going to go back to the top down view. I hope you enjoyed this bit of a chaotic video, like the next instalment of Craft Shed Cleanup. We will get there. It's just taken me a long time and I haven't done it for a few weeks, so it's just kind of one of those ongoing projects. And I'm going to try and keep up with my regular content at the same time. But yeah, thanks very much for joining me, and I'll see you for the next instalment. If you enjoyed this and you want to see some more, hit the subscribe button down below. I do have a playlist ongoing of my messy craft shed, and hopefully we'll get to the point where it's going to all be nice and neat and tidy and everything will have a home. But we'll just have to wait and see. Take care everyone. Bye.